Hello everyone, this is Mia from Ebike. In this video, I will give a detailed introduction to our best-selling product, the KN Series. If interested, don't forget to follow us and give a like. Now let's get this thing open. First main part of the kit is the hub motor wheel, which is protected by foam pads on both sides to prevent damage during shipping. The Ebike kit comes with the rim, the inner tube, and outer tire already. And the KN series has both 250 watts and 350 watts motor kits to choose from. Both disc brake bikes and V brake bikes can be converted by the KN series bike kit. For disc brake bikes, you only need to install the disc brake rotor on the side of the motor with 6 screws. The weight of this 250 watts 700C motor wheel with the inner tube and outer tire is 4.3 kilograms. Lightweight motor wheel makes your bike easy to ride. And there are also 2 small boxes. Let's take a look at what's inside these 2 small boxes now. This is the bottle battery and the battery holder with the controller inside at the bottom. The battery is produced using a powder spraying process and is not easily scratched. On the top of the battery, there is a power display screen that allows you to easily check the current battery level and charge it in time. The side features the battery switch and charging port. With a Type-C charging port design, the battery can not only power the bike, but also a mobile power bank for charging your phone. The KN battery is composed of 218650 lithium battery cells with a capacity of 5.8 amp-hours. The access range is 60 kilometers. For daily commuting, the KN series is the best choice. Now let's take a look at the last small box. There are 1 charger, one sample throttle, a set of installation tools and the instruction manual, a disc brake rotor. That's all the things. Let's get to installing this Ebike kit. First step, I need to remove the original front wheel of this bike. Then we just need to put the hub motor wheel on it and tighten the screws. Next step, let's mount the battery holder onto the down tube. Most bikes have the 2 holes at this position, allowing you to mount the battery holder here. If your bikes don't have these holes, it's not a problem because you can purchase a conversion bracket online. We can plug the bottle battery into the battery holder. It also comes with 2 keys, so we can lock the battery to keep it stable and prevent it from shaking. We will install the stumble throttle now. Let's remove the grab here and slide the throttle on. And then the grab going to be go back on. Please be careful not to let the throttle get stuck. The final step is to connect all the valves together. After it, we can use the provided cable ties to fasten all the valves to the frame, making it look neater. Our installation steps are complete. Now it's time to start riding.